So the printer was very easy to set up and configure via Bluetooth to the phone. One thing I will call out is that after you load the labels, you do have to extend part of the label initially, and then you hit this print button once, and it will automatically align the label. In doing so, it does waste one label, so if you have any jams or any issues with it, you'll be wasting a label each time that you have to reload the paper or swap the label to a different one. In terms of printing, it does work very well. When you go to print the label, hitting print now, comes out pretty fast and is ready to move on to the next one. The quality seems really good, not having ink being thermal. It prints it on there very fast, very clear. The image you can see here does have a little bit of roughness around the circle, but the image that it was taken from was one of their templates, and it wasn't quite perfect in the app to begin with either, so it does seem to represent.
They sent it to me the receipt, the small one, to be the big one, but it's okay. It's working great. Yeah.
It's got my printer. It prints pretty cool. It's super cute. I printed the Q&R for my church and their labels, and I thought it was pretty awesome. You can design different fonts.
I just got in my pink Phomemo label maker and I am so freaking excited. I want to show you. This is actually pretty simple to use. Download Print Master, which I have right here. And then you want to go to Print Label and then Print Now.
Hey, just want to show you my new printer that I got. I am loving it.